Life Assembly. I'm Megan, and here are a few of our upcoming events. We still have available time slots for people to help ring bells for the Salvation Army. Be sure and stop by the information table so you can sign up and help today. The grocery giveaway is coming up this Saturday at 10 a.m. Don't forget, there's no pre-qualifications needed. Everyone's welcome. We've got great opportunities for you and your family to give this Christmas season. Be sure and stop by the table in the foyer to find out more about our adopted family and to pick a few gifts to purchase for them. We're also needing supplies to make gift baskets for the ladies at the Forest Avenue Women's Shelter. We're looking for things like shower gels, lotions, pins, journals. If you'd like to purchase something, you can drop it off at the table or bring it to the church office. We would like to invite you and your family to join us for the Christmas Eve service, Wednesday, December 24th at 5 p.m. right here in the sanctuary. If you would like to learn more about God, or how to share the love of Jesus, or just understand your purpose in life, sign up for the next Discovering New Life class, beginning January 14th at 7 p.m. in classroom WC 105. Once again, thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoy the rest of the service, and we hope to see you and your family again soon.